there. Ayan, for today's video guys, I'm going to, I'm going to outside guys, so I'm preparing. Ayan, kakatapos ko nga lang po maligo guys. I just finished my, taking a shower, so I need to put a little blush on my face. Ayan, my simple way of putting makeup, a little blush on only. Ayan. So, ayan. Ayan, konting ano lang guys. And I have to put a little eyeshadow also. Eyeshadow also guys. Ayan, I like this. The brown color. Brown color of eyeshadow. Yeah, when I go outside guys. Ayan. This is my simple way of putting makeup. I only put a little lipstick, a little blush on, and then eyebrow, and then a little eyeshadow. Ayan, so that's it. That's it, my fashion for today, guys. Ayan, I really love it. Ayan, ang ganda ng ating ano, guys. And then, I use this, guys, my charan! My shade guys, because it's so hot in the Philippines. When you go outside in the afternoon, it's so hot, so I use a sunglass every time I go outside guys. I use sunglass. So this is my sunglass for today. I have another one guys, so ayan, pagpilian ko siya guys kung alin ang mas maganda. Ayan, try din natin siya guys. Ayan o, the first one. Ayan, I love this guys, the pink color. This one, ayan, medyo madilim siya guys. Ayan, good for the sun din to siyang isa guys. Ayan o, diba ang ganda. Ayan, only for daytime guys. Ayan, lunch, daytime, afternoon, cannot be a nighttime. While this one guys, the other one, the first one is you can wear this on nighttime because ayan, maliwanag siya guys. Kahit sa nighttime mo siya gamitin, pwede pa din guys. So ayan guys, I'm ready na for my ayan, mas simple makeup. Ayan, my simple way of makeup guys. I really love it. Ayan, pak na pakin siya guys. And my pambahay outfit. Later I will change a dress guys. Ayan, so that's it for today. I feel so beautiful today. Bye.